Now this is like we have to find the, like we have to simplify this expression. Now to simplify this expression we have to simplify this as well as simplify this and this, and the choices is like the simplified form is parallel to A, parallel to D, like it is 2 times scalar triple product of BCD into A. So like we'll need to simplify it in terms of only one vector. So if you just take dot of these two, I take dot of this with this, I get I apply vector triple product formula. I can assume this as 1 and this is bracket 2 vector C and D. So take dot of this with D, so it is ABD into C vector minus ABC into D vector, right? Applying vector triple product formula, where this is the single vector and these are two vectors. So dot of this with D into C vector, dot of this with C into D vector. Similarly we'll simplify these two. So this time let's assume this to be a single vector and take dot with A, ADB into C vector minus CDB into A vector, right? And before we do the third simplification, let's see what we have till now. ABD and ADB, these two are opposite, these two orders are opposite, so one is negative of other, so it means this cancels out with this. Now we are left with D and A. Now see, answer, there is a choice where answer is parallel to A and another choice where answer is in terms of A. So let's take this as single and apply formula like this, so that we'll have terms. When we expand, we'll get term of A and term of D, and there is a chance either A will cancel out or D will cancel out, right? And there's no choice in which B and C are there, so we should not have B and C. So if you assume this as 1 and this as bracket in vector triple product formula, then you'll get answer in terms of B and C. The simplified form is in terms of B and C, but the simplified form should not be in terms of B and C, because in no of the choices we have B and C. So we assume this as single and this as bracket and apply formula. It will be ABC into D vector minus DBC into A vector, DBC. Now you can see this cancels out with this, so D is gone, only A is left. And cyclic order, let's check the cyclic order. CDB and BCD, DBC, DBC is DBC and CDB, both are in same cyclic order, so it is minus 2 times DBC. And so A choice is matching because this vector is parallel to A or anti-parallel to A, so it doesn't matter. And other is minus 2 times BCD. So this same as minus 2 times BCD. We can replace this by BCD because cyclic order is same. So A is the correct answer as well as C is the correct answer.